Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by removing old batteries and installing fresh ones so signal strength is reliable. Once done, identify the remote model and the exact device brand and model because codes vary by maker. Make sure the target device is powered on and within 1 to 3 meters. This ensures line-of-sight IR or clear RF pairing. Now position yourself facing the device and keep the manual or code list ready, because the next step uses specific codes or an automatic search to link functions. You now choose manual code entry or auto search. If you have a code, press the device button to enter programming mode and type the code digits. This binds the device quickly. If you don't, press and hold the device key and the power or setup button to start an auto search. Release when the device responds and confirm with the power key. Test volume, input, and power. If some functions miss, make a note because you may need IR learning or alternate code sets next. Finish by saving the selected code following the remote save procedure so settings persist after power cycles. Then systematically verify the most used buttons. If any are missing, use the remote's IR learn feature or duplicate commands from the original remote to fill gaps. If things go wrong, swap to fresh batteries, repeat the auto search, or perform a factory reset and start over. If the device still won't respond, confirm compatibility with the remote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.